So, hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you that we should replace paper books with ebooks. So, yeah, it is a very good point. So, let's begin our today's video. But before we start, like and subscribe. So, let's begin. So, let me tell you how this thought came into the mind. So, actually, I'm a participant of debate. Yes, so my teacher has given me a topic that we should replace paper books with ebooks. So, I have to practice on it. Yes, so I'm currently practicing and I'm making a video on it. So let's begin at today's video. I have made this 2 pages speech on A4 and all here are questions for my opponent. So if my opponent is watching it, so be careful from me. So yeah, let's begin. So you know what? Today in our vast changing world, we should replace paper books with ebooks. Yes, we see phones. Yes, smartphones, smartwatches, smart TVs, smart boards, and even many things are smart in today's world. Yes, from those medical period, from this civilized technological period, how much we have developed us a lot. So why we are lacking on education system? Yes, because education system is very must. So, we should replace them because they are also eco-friendly. For making one piece of paper, this piece of paper, we have to cut a whole tree down. Then only this paper is made. Yes, so they are eco-friendly because they use this mine, some electronic things, and some metal or anything. Yes, because they are also cheaper. If this notebook cost me, let me see the MRP. It is of 105 rupees. Rather, I can purchase a study tablet which costs me around 500 or even 1000, but I can perform any task in it. Yes, from nursery, from grade 1st to grade 12, all NCRT unlocked free. From notepad, calculator, notebook, pen, highlighter, eraser, ruled notebook, unruled notebook, thread notebook, whatever. We can do it in digital tablets. Yes, because we have smart board even today. Yes, smart board because we can just click, file open, then we can write and draw. Yes, this is a very good step taken by our schools. But why we are lacking on students? Yes, because students are the only future of India. Yes, me, you, and all who are watching are only futures of India. All the children, all the students. Yes, so why we are lacking on technology? Why we aren't developing? Because of one major reason that people are afraid to invest in it. Yes, government and schools are saying, oh, if we will invest in it, so people will addicted to this only because it produces blue rays and which will harm the students' eyes. We should not do this. It's better nostalgia paper, no ebooks. Because this reason only. Now let me tell you, today we are so much advanced that we have e-notebooks even. Yes, the drawing pads which we get, a pen also in which we draw, they are not producing Blu-rays. Yes, they are notebook by the way. They are not producing Blu-rays. Just we can draw, and yes, we can even write. And even if we talk about this, all the study tablets, yes, they can produce, but they should be used in a limit. Now people will say rather than we can switch to notebooks. Yeah, we can study whole day and all, but don't be a bookworm, my friend. Don't be a bookworm. Study in a limit, play in a limit, do everything in a limit. Yes. Just push your limits every day, by the way. So, yeah, we should replace ebooks with paper books as they are cheap, affordable, and they have every feature. Yes. Now, one more point I have. You know what? In these notebooks, paper notebooks, we do not have interactive features. What does interactive feature means, by the way? Let me tell you, interactive feature means video support. Yes, like if I am not getting this question, I will see only the picture in the notebook. I will think, oh, how does zero come here? Oh, this. How does two come here? We have to divide or multiply. Yes, these all the problem we face is, but you know what, in digital notebooks we have video support, like, oh, let me take out this chapter's video, just 20 minutes video, you will get everything. Yes, and they are also much efficient than using these notebooks. Yes, if you go in YouTube or any platform, because nowadays, so we do not have we have ebooks because of the reason which I told you. But if you go in YouTube in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they explain you everything bit by bit. Yes. Rather than using those old notebooks, which are also very harmful to our mother nature, we can switch to these ebooks. Yeah, electronic books. So, who are with me? They can like this video. It was all about today. But wait, let me tell you my questions by the way. I'm gonna ask to my opponent. One is, how can we hope to preserve our world's future while destroying its forest for the sake of paper books? Which means that how can we hope for a bright future for us? Because we are cutting down the trees, making papers, and then giving to children, but ebooks are eco-friendly. Yeah. Now, second question is, if ebooks offer instant access to thousands of books, why do limit ourselves to a single printed copy? Yes, this point I already told you all, that if ebooks can provide us with all the features, video support, highlighter, pen, digital pen, everything, then why do switch to a single printed copy? Why do switch to a paper? Where, in the other hand, ebooks are providing us many things. Now, third question, why resist progress when ebooks enhance learning with interactive tools that paper can't simply provide? Yes, this point I also told you. Like in ebooks, what we can have uh, video support, mind maps in only few seconds. Yes, only few seconds we will get a whole mind map. We can have digital pen, digital highlighter. If we by mistake written something wrong, just control Z or delete it. Yes. While in notebook we have written to written, it can't change until you put highlighter, correction tape, or whatever, but it will look untidy, my dear friend. So it was all about today. Wish me a good luck that tomorrow I get selected. So till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video.